Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. Watch Neo give up all his BBNaira coins and personal belongings to Biggie in return for the biggest birthday surprise for V.
On my BBNaira, man, that's gonna hurt, but I mean, for sure, I'm giving up on my BBNaira for the week, and the personal belonging, T-shirts and stuff for these flowers for her birthday. So, I mean, she's special, so she deserves it, man.
Neo requested for flowers, cake, and other items from Biggie to help make V's birthday a memorable one. Little did he know everything in Big Brother's house come with a surprise. He was asked to give up his hard-earned BBNaira coins and a personal belonging for the item. It was a hard pill to swallow, but as Davido said, love is sweet, but when money enters, it's sweeter. He gave up the item saying V is worth it. So this was how it all went down last night. Neo was shocked when Kidwaya came to him for a bargain towards making his babe V have a awesome birthday celebration in the BBNaija lockdown house. Kidwaya called Neo and asked him if he would be ready to sell his black shirt to buy V a banquet of flowers for her birthday today. The smile on the lover's face was amazing and signifying his interest he has in making V enjoy her day. Kidwaya told him that his shirt would not be able to buy the birthday flower, therefore he should be ready. Therefore, if he is ready to forgo 1 week BBNaira plus the worth of his black shirt. Neo hurriedly went into his drawer and brought out a black shirt, giving it to the head of house, and he left with it. On leaving the room, Neo ran to share the good news with Ozo and Prince. Kidwaya returned and gave him the good news that the black shirt and his 1 week BBNaira coins were enough to get V a worthy banquet of flower. It's definitely going to be an awesome day today for V when she finds out about the gifts and what Neo has done for her. So guys, what are your opinion on this? Please let me know in the comment section below. Do you still think Neo is faking his relationship with V, or is trying to get votes from the viewers? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And also, if this is your first time of watching, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.